Phil Spencer, Le Cuisinier de Ménage, the household chef, and this is the college series where we are taking simple recipes that are inexpensive as well. And today's focus is going to be on salmon. So I have today an herb crusted salmon and a garlic butter salmon. And I found wild caught salmon at the store for under $8, 5 portions. Awesome. Okay, so the big debate, wild caught versus farm raised salmon. I'm a wild caught guy, but I'll explain. Here's the farm raised version. Farm raised, easy to find in the supermarket, generally less expensive, but it is grown in farms, generally in ponds. They don't have as much room to move. They're fed corn, grains, antibiotics, and they're much fattier, usually much fattier meat. Now, wild caught, they're out there in their natural habitat, they're working for a living, so they're much leaner. They're higher in omega-3 fatty acids. They still are great nutrients, vitamins, and minerals. But anyway, when given a choice, I'm gonna go with the wild caught over farm raised any day. But then again, wild caught over farm raised over no salmon at all. So anyway, here we go. Let's get started. Really not much to say here. I mean, this was just so easy to make in 5 portions for under $8. It's amazing. I guess the one takeaway from this I'd like to remind you is that always wild salmon over farm-raised salmon and farm-raised salmon over no salmon. Anyway, enjoy. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.